What's the meaning of clemency? Clemency. Clemency.
Clemency. Clemency. Clemency refers to the act of showing mercy or leniency towards someone who has committed a crime or offense, often by lessening or commuting their punishment. It can be granted by a government official, such as a president or governor, or by a court of law. The result of clemency can vary depending on the circumstances and the specific action taken. For example, it may involve reducing a prison sentence, pardoning an individual, or granting amnesty to a group of people. Ultimately, clemency is intended to provide some measure of relief or forgiveness to those who have been convicted of a crime.